before it you have read about synthesis, and the previous chapter, the previous topic, you have read how to make two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence, and before it, by using cumulative and adversative conjunction, you have joined two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences. You know there are four types of conjunction: cumulative conjunction, adversative conjunction, alternative conjunction, and relative conjunction. So before it, by using two conjunction, adversative and cumulative, you have joined two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. And now the third conjunction, by using alternative conjunction, you have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. Before it, you have read about alternative conjunction, how many types of alternative conjunction, and by the help of alternative conjunction, you have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. First example, walk fast, you will miss the train. Here are two simple sentence, and by the use of alternative conjunction, you have to join these two simple sentences into one compound sentence. Walk fast, first sentence, and the second sentence, you will miss the train. Alternative conjunction meant in Hindi विकल्प. Alternate means विकल्प. By the use of alternative conjunction, you have to make one compound sentence to join two or more simple sentence. Walk fast, comma, are otherwise are two alternative conjunction. You have to write are otherwise. Walk fast or you will miss the train. Or walk fast, otherwise you will miss the train. The first example. Now the second example. Do not do this. Do not do this. And the second sentence, do not do that. By the use of alternative conjunction, you have to join these two simple sentences into one compound sentence. Here the both sentences are negative, so you have to use neither. Neither do this nor that. And also, if you want to mingle some other words, then neither do this, neither do this nor do that. These sentences, both sentences are correct. Neither do this nor do that. Or if you want some other changes, then neither do this nor that. Both sentences are correct. Now the other examples. Take medicine regularly, you cannot recover. The first sentence, take medicine regularly, and the second sentence, you cannot recover. Take medicine regularly, and here you have to add one alternative conjunction, else. take medicine regularly, else you cannot recover. So in this way, we have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence by the help of alternative conjunction. And now, fourth and last conjunction, elative conjunction. Before it, you have read three types of conjunction, and now the last step, by the help of elative conjunction, we have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. For example, he took bribe, he was dismissed. Here are two simple sentences. First sentence, he took bribe, and the second sentence, he was dismissed. Elative conjunction meant in Hindi परिणाम सूचक, फल सूचक संयोजक. So first sentence, he took bribe, and second sentence, he was dismissed. So he took bribe, comma, so are therefore are hence. Many types of elative conjunction. You are free to join any elative conjunction, so are therefore are hence. He took bribe, so he was dismissed. Some other examples. You must suffer, you have sinned. Here are two simple sentences. First sentence, you must suffer, and the second sentence, you have sinned. So by the help of elative conjunction, you have to join these two simple sentences into one compound sentence. You must suffer, and now the second sentence, you have sinned. Because is the suitable elative conjunction to join these two simple sentences into one compound sentence. You must suffer because you have sinned. So in this way, by the help of conjunction, you have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. Some other examples. He felt no fear. Here the first sentence, he was a brave man. Here are two simple sentences. he felt no fear, the first sentence, and the second sentence is he was a brave man. Here the main theme, elative, thinks that he felt no fear. So we have to join these two sentences into one compound sentence by the help of elative conjunction. He felt no fear, comma, the suitable conjunction for, because, are the suitable sentence. Within these two conjunction, you are free to add any one conjunction. He felt no fear for or because he was a brave man. So, in this way, you have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence by the help of conjunction. Within these conjunction, cumulative conjunction, adversative conjunction, elative conjunction are the main thing by which you have to add two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. I hope you will be understand my language, you will be understand these topics. Thank you.